For thousands of years, humanity has argued over what is real. Yet, every creature experiences a different world. A bee sees ultraviolet patterns you cannot. A snake senses heat. A bat navigates with sound. Your brain doesn't show you reality. It builds a survival model from a tiny fraction of it. What if reality is far greater than anything any one species can perceive? The wise don't begin with certainty. They begin with humility. Don't mistake your beliefs for truth, your thoughts for facts, or your perceptions for the whole of existence. What remains is reality, whether you believe in it or not. The journey is not about collecting beliefs. It's about removing illusions. Observe more, assume less. Question everything, including your own conclusions. Because the closer you move toward reality, the closer you move toward the source. And perhaps the greatest awakening is realizing no person, religion, philosophy, or science has seen the whole picture. We're all standing before the same mystery, looking through different windows.